Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we're doing some moving and shaking while we talk about wood movement. You see, wood is a lot like adults. Its height doesn't change much over time. Right, Pete? But its width fluctuates almost as often as Oprah's does. Now, we're affected by diet and exercise. Wood is affected largely by humidity. Dry wood with a low moisture content is going to shrink up. But add a lot of moisture to that and it's going to swell. But not only is your wood going to expand and contract across its width, but it may even do some twisting and turning, because it's a free spirit and you need to embrace that. To embrace it, cut your parts to size and then let them acclimate. Sticker them for at least 24 hours before you start assembling. By doing this, you're going to let them acclimate and you're going to be able to handle that seasonal movement. And you're going to prevent any gaps, cracks, and out of whack mishaps.